Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll show you some daytime and nighttime examples from the brand new VIOFO A119 Mini 2, which is using the new Sony STARVIS 2 IMX675 image sensor. In the nighttime video section I'll show you some play capture attempts on a dark rural road, and I'll drive by that illuminated road sign that I've included in some of my previous reviews to show you how well the A119 Mini 2, A119 Mini, the VIOFO WM1, and the Vantura E1 captured that sign with their HDR or WDR features turned on. So, let's get into it. In this section, I'll show you some daytime video examples from the VIOFO A119 Mini 2 with the CBL filter on and HDR turned off during the daytime and the bitrate set to high. At the end of the section, I'll have an audio comparison between the A119 Mini 2, the A119 Mini, and the VIOFO WM1. This is an audio comparison test between the VIOFO A119 Mini, the previous generation dash camera, the VIOFO A119 Mini 2, and the VIOFO WM1. From left to right is in increasing order of volume that's recorded by the camera. I'll place a speaker icon over the video from the dash camera that is the audio source in this segment. This section contains nighttime examples from the VIOFO A119 Mini 2. I have no CBL filter installed and the HDR feature is enabled. After this section I have my backlit roadside sign comparison, and then to finish up I'll have some plate capture attempts on a dark rural road. In this section, I'm going to be driving by a backlit road sign. I've been including this in recent reviews of dash cameras. I want to see how well the HDR or WDR feature of the dash camera handles the extreme bright and dark areas of this illuminated road sign. I've selected the best video frame from each of the video files for each dash camera, and we can see that the A119 Mini 2 does the best job, and second place goes to the A119 Mini, and third place goes to the Vantrue E1, and last place is the WDR feature for the VIOFO WM1. And I believe the A119 Mini 2 also takes top place when it comes to capturing the road and the features on the side of the road at night. In this section, I'll be testing the plate capture capabilities of the A119 Mini 2 with the HDR feature turned on at night. And this is with cars moving in opposite directions, which is one of the more challenging ways of trying to capture a plate. I have to say the series of plate captures that I attempt in this section don't seem to get a crisp, clear plate out of any of the attempts, but I'll let you see what they are, and you be the judge. I hope you found this video to be informative. If you did, hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that bell notification to be notified when I upload new videos just like this. Make sure you are subscribed so you get notified when I upload my full review of the VIOFO A119 Mini 2 dash camera. Thanks for spending your time checking out the video. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.